you know, it's supposedly one of the hottest weeks in the UK at the moment. And man's filming indoors with big ass lights blasting in my face. I'm sweating. Should I leave the hair down? Or no. Definitely not. Do you even have a hat? Alright, we're going to do without the hat. We'll see how this video turns out. I might regret it massively. If I do, I'm sorry for the state of my hair. It's... No, let's put the hat back on. Actually, yeah, go on, mate. Let's just keep the hat. Easy, simple. Put that hair. Okay, people. Yo, what up, how you doing, guys? My name is Sangiev. Today we are back with another video, and as I said in my previous one, which was an unboxing, today we have another unboxing, and hopefully that should be it for unboxings for the time being. You know, we're not just a one-trick pony here, but boy, whoa, am I excited about this one. I haven't decided how I'm going to title this video yet, so I don't know if the brand's name is going to be in the title. I am insanely excited about this package right here. This is still a somewhat low-key brand. They are into their second collection, so this is actually their second drop. Well, the second drop from the second collection, if I'm correct here. I have a few, I'm turning around just because I have a few of their pieces from their first drop. Beautiful, well-constructed garments, and a lot of you guys I know are big fans of it, and so I am super excited about this. Now, Michael reached out and said, Michael being the creative director for / owner of the brand, reached out and said, hey bro, we've got our second drop coming. Is there any pieces that you're after? And I told him, you know what, you know me, you know my personal style, just surprise me and hit me up with whatever you wish. And so here we are today with a care package from the beautiful people over at Kira from Canada. They do some beautiful stuff, man, and I'm super excited for this one. And yeah, man, like, I still stand by one of the statements which I made earlier, and it was something along the lines of, when it comes to bomber jackets, I put Haider Ackerman at #1, and then genuinely the Kira bomber jackets are just so beautiful, and I put them at a very close second place, especially when you consider the price difference between two. Some might actually gravitate more so towards the Kira than the Haider. So right off the bat, we've got a little note. Look at that. I mean, stamped, sealed. I love shit like that, man. It's a nice little touch. Alright, here we go. Dear Sangiev, I hope you'll enjoy the pieces as much as I have enjoyed creating them for you. Oh, the boy. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. I will save this and put that to the side. First off, right off the bat, we have their Kira cap. Just a standard cap. Like, does it fit nicely? I mean, it's a bit heavy on the branding, mate. No, I'm joking. Yeah, box standard black suede cap that just says Kira at the front. It's kind of clean. It's got a good shape to it. Now my hair, obviously I need to tighten up a tiny bit. My hair is sort of all over the place at the moment. It's going through the growth period. So this is a cool little hat. Thank you for throwing that in. I appreciate it. Hats, how do I say this? It's not that I'm not excited about them. I am, but they're just hats. Do you know what I mean? So, boom, we'll put that to the side. Okay, we've now come to the juicy parts of this video. We've got 3 items. They're all so fire, man, just from looking at it. Okay, starting with item numero uno, and that is going to be a shirt. Is it a shirt? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Let me just whip this out. First of all, every garment comes with this really nice hang tag / knife thing. Now, do be careful when you travel with this. I remember in Germany, I was wearing this, and I forget about it, really. I just leave it hanging on my jeans, and I forget about it, but yeah, do you know what I mean? It is a sharp, knife-like object, which can raise some eyebrows. Now, especially because I'm brown. Brown people raise his eyebrows in airports for being alive, so when you're carrying things like that, it just gives them a reason to randomly check you, which we love, don't we? Dust bag that just says Kira. I love that as well. A dust bag for every garment. Like, how fire is that? But boy, oh my god. Yes! Yo, this is fire. This is so fire. Ooh, the camera picks it up so beautifully as well. Look at that. The colors, incredible. It's like this sort of velvet velour material. Again, this reminds me of the Andamillamista piece that I have, but the cut is a lot more me. The Andamillamista piece is super long, very much in line with what the brand produces anyway, but this, oh man, I'm excited about this. This one's going to be fire. I can't wait to throw this on and show you guys how it looks as well. This looks incredible. Sizing, let's go with sizing. Hold up. Sizing wise, this is a size 2, which is equivalent to their size medium, I think. And upon first impressions, it looks as they all fit. It looks kind of oversized. I'm sure this is a very big size 2, but with a material like this and with what I think this is going to look like, they want it to be somewhat oversized and flowy. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. We're starting off in a very high note. Love that. Thank you. This shirt, boy, I'm gassed. Now we've got, oh man, these are so sick. I love you, Michael. Thank you so much for sending this over. One of them I already know what it was just because I saw a picture of it a very long time ago, and I said to him, bro, if this is dropping in the second drop or in your second collection, that's a beautiful piece. But we're gonna save that for later, and we're gonna move on to another outerwear piece. I think this one's this looks like a bomber jacket. Again, same thing. Let me whip out the keychain tag thing. And then the dust bag. Love that. Love that attention to detail. A nice little touch. Bro, what the f, yo? They're so cool. Like, they do such interesting work with material. I love that shit. Like, even their glass silk bomber. This guy right here in the orange colorway. Such interesting way to play with materials and so intricate to look at. And again, they've replicated that same effect here. Now this looks to be like a trucker jacket of sorts. I mean, just look at that. Look at that material. It's, I actually don't even know how you would describe it. Like, what is it? Velour? Is it suede? No, it's velour. Is it printed on? Or is it various? Mate, no clue. Absolutely no clue. I just know it looks friggin' amazing. I'm trying to look for the label so that I can tell you guys. Damn it. Okay, so before I make this video go live, I'll be sure to get in touch with Michael and I'll have the information plastered on the screen right now. But man, so many interesting details. Where do we begin? Obviously, first impression, the material is just absolutely incredible. And this is definitely more of a fall-winter collection. Okay, so we've got this beautiful button detailing. From what I can see, the front seems to be shorter than the back. You've got a curved hem at the back. And then you have loads of these fastening detailing which can allow you to kind of taper the bottom. So I assume that what this allows you to do is create a boxy, no, not a boxy, but a gathered look around the bottom of the jacket, which can look fire. I still can't get over the material and the technique that they've used. It looks printed, but it also looks as though this is a technique that I remember someone did back at school at CSM, where they would place two different materials next to each other, and then you can overlay the material, and then there is a tool that just allows you to pick through both pieces of fabric. And what this allowed you to do, sorry, I'm closing my eyes just because I'm trying to recall how it works, but it basically, it stitches the items together without any stitch lines, because what it does is with every pressing motion that you do, yeah, obviously, with every pressing motion that you do, I think what it did is it pulled each fibers of the material and kind of intertwined it with each other. And that kind of reminds me of what's happened here. Although, yeah, it could very much be done in that manner. If not that, then it's definitely been printed or something. But wow. Wow, I'm excited about this, man. This is what I mean. When it comes to outerwear, dare I say, Kira is just one of the best to do it. In my opinion, top 3. I don't care if it's a new brand. I would be honest with you. I'll be honest with you, if I thought it was shit, I'd say it was shit. But right now, looking at this, I am in love. Okay, so I'm going to briefly interrupt this video. I was just going through the edit and I reached out to Michael. And I figured rather than me relaying the information that he was giving to me, why not just get it from the source himself so that he can shed more information with regards to some of the materials, some of the details that I might not have mentioned. And so I'm very thankful for the boy Phil sending in some clips. And Michael, take it over, Bray. Mate? What did I just say? Bray? Mate and bro? Great. Take it over, Bray.
Hey guys, my name is Michael and I am the designer for Kira. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about two very special pieces that I've created for Sanj. Starting out, we have the digital velvet. This fabric is actually very unique because it requires a special loom that weaves the same thickness of material at the same time. I ended up creating a 5-panel denim jacket with this fabric. This fabric actually reminds me of a dimensional shift or a rift between worlds. Here's like a full view of it, which I thought was very interesting. This jacket falls into my newest collection, NSM. NSM is an abbreviation for non-spiritual matter. The theme for NSM is downloading human consciousness into a mechanical organism in order to achieve immortality.
And then the final piece, let me chuck this box to the side. And then the final piece is this bomber jacket. I'm so hyped for this, man. I mean, I'm still speechless about the previous one, but this bomber jacket, I saw it before, and if I recall properly, he used some surplus vintage military garments or something to do with military garments that have been repurposed. And obviously you guys know I am a huge fan of that. Just so sick, bruv. It's so sick. I love it. We've got this amazing bomber jacket with this just beautiful color, and as you can see throughout, you've got some repair patches, you've got some dirt marks. Now, whether that was done intentionally or, as I said, through years of wear as a vintage garment is something that I shall find out, but I'm pretty sure it's due to wear from it being a vintage garment, because some of these low-key look a bit grim. But you've got this very interesting construction detailing as well that he added to repair the pieces, and also I think he's done something like this across most of his bomber jackets. Once again, this is a size 2, so I'm going to assume that that jacket is a size 2 as well, because everything he would have sent me would have been all in the same size. But look at the inside of this. Come on. Come on. That shit crazy. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of Kira. I'm so glad to add this to the collection. This looks absolutely fire. I love the fact that it's just repurposed vintage garments. If it was any other designer, like someone like Greg Lauren, for example, you'd be looking at paying 2-3K for this jacket. And I use Greg Lauren as an example just because he uses a lot of older garments to obviously reconstruct, deconstruct, and do all that other jazz. But wow. And it's super soft as well. You would think that something like this would be very thick and very robust and rigid, but it's actually super soft. Wow. Thank you so much, Michael.
So next up, we have the Kevlar Scar Bomber, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna try on the jacket for you guys. So I've actually added shoulder vents to this jacket. So it hugs you, but you're not restricted by any means. I don't know if you guys can see here, but the jacket sleeve is actually curved with 2 darts pointing out. The self of this jacket is actually composed of World War II military vents and deployable bags. So there are very distinctive characteristics in the fabric itself. The interior shell is lined with military grade Kevlar. So technically the jacket is bulletproof. Okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll leave the rest up to Sanj. Peace.
Sir, I take my hat off and tip it to you because you are an incredible human being, and boy, I am sweating like a mother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna wrap things up right here. If you wish to follow me on my social media, it's all right here, Sangiev. Definitely go check out Kira and all their stuff. Will be linked in the description box down below. And that's it from me. Have a beautiful day. Take care. No. There we go. blah, blah, blah. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace. I don't know if it lost in the first. See that? So much better then. Screw it. Oh my god, this hair, bruh, I can't wait till it's long enough. And I can really have it down or just have it up, mate. We're getting closer though. We're getting there. I can sort of gather it all. That would be very tight. But it doesn't look too bad. We're gonna make this work, we're gonna make this work, we're gonna make this work. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've outroed this video, right? See you later. Bye.